Hi there, Ginny, LearnWithGinny.com is where you can find me and all my home business training. Make sure you get on my newsletter because I share all kinds of cool stuff there. I wanted to show you real quick how to create a YouTube channel, second YouTube channel. If you already have a YouTube channel, this is adding a YouTube channel. And this is my second recording because I just realized I had gone live without recording, whatever. Stuff happens, eh? Anyway, so let me get out of the way. I'll show you in 3 simple steps. It's super easy. And it did take me longer than this to figure it out. So I'm saving you some time here. So you see where my red arrow is pointing up to my little face in the upper right hand corner of my YouTube channel. So you click that and that will bring you to the settings, to the menu for your YouTube channel. This would be on the left hand side of your screen when you click your little thing. And then you hit add or manage your channels. Isn't that super easy? That's it. I told you, that it was 3 simple steps. That was it. 1, 2, 3. And once you hit that add or manage your channels, your one channel or 2 channels will show up there, and you basically, put your YouTube header in and all that stuff and fill in your descriptions at the very next step. So I don't know how many channels you're allowed, but you can have more than 1 channel, and it's really easy. It took me a lot longer to find that out, but hey, now it's easy for you. So make it a great day. Get on my newsletter so you don't miss out on any future workshops and stuff like that we have going on. So talk soon. Get on my newsletter. You got to be there.